Hey everybody, Chris here. So Donald Trump wins the presidency, and what is next for Dogecoin? We're going to talk about that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. And we had an epic election night live stream, over 5 hours, watching the results come in and watching the craziness in the crypto markets as it was happening live. That's right, Bitcoin hits an all-time high over 75,000 and Dogecoin hits 22 cents, its yearly high. Things are settling a bit right now, but where are things going to go coming up? We're going to take a look at that. So let's take a look at the charts and the news, and I'll show you what I'm looking at. We start here looking at the Dogecoin chart, and we're just settling right under 20 cents right now. So day after exciting election, we're having a little sell-off, and we saw that last night. Doge came up to 22 cents, and then we saw profit taking. So that's not unexpected how that worked out, and Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin comes up over 75,000, and then there is big profit taking. So Bitcoin right now at 74.1. The big thing was the liquidations. Over the past 24 hours, over $286 million in Bitcoin. And look at Doge, the second most in liquidations out of all cryptocurrencies. Over $58 million in Dogecoin leveraged trades wiped out. So that's what drives the crypto markets up and down, is a lot on this leverage, especially the shorting. A lot of shorters got wrecked last night. We were watching it happen live. We were looking at the heat map, and especially on the Bitcoin one, just how much leverage totally got cleared out. So we'll be looking at that again. We'll be updating that. My next live stream will be live Wednesday at 4:00 p.m. East Coast time. I may start a little early, like on 3:30 side, because I got to cut it short for an event I'm going to on Wednesday night. But make sure that you're subscribed and you've got your notifications on, so you know when I go live. So looks like 3:30 will probably be the starting time for Wednesday's live stream. It's not going to be a 5-hour live stream, just not this one. But again, I'm live every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but also during special events. And that election was certainly a special event. I'm glad I was live. I'm glad that you could join in on the fun, because we were having a lot of fun. It was nice to see your portfolio going up. Trump secures historic return to White House as crypto markets soar. That's right. We were watching our portfolios grow in real time while the results were coming in. Former President Trump wins historic second term. Bitcoin hits a record $75.3 thousand, boosted by his pro-crypto stance, promises to make US a crypto hub. He's talked about Bitcoin as a strategic reserve. He's also talked with the heads of the United States-based Bitcoin mining companies and says he wants all Bitcoin mined in America. So all future Bitcoin to be here in the United States. That's exciting. But my point is, it's not just going to be Bitcoin, it's going to be Dogecoin too. And particularly what we talked about last night during the live stream was not Bitcoin dominance, which is fine, 60.5% Bitcoin dominance, but it's Dogecoin dominance. Yes, Dogecoin dominance over 1.2%, and actually hit 1.3% last night, on its way to 2%, and then maybe its all-time high of 4%, which would be huge for Dogecoin. So the narrative going forward is going to be Dogecoin dominance and Dogecoin mining, because as Dogecoin becomes more accepted, more adopted, we're going to see a lot of the miners turning toward Dogecoin, which could become more profitable for miners than Bitcoin. That's right. So Dogecoin and other Memecoin surge as Trump wins presidential election. We saw not only Dogecoin going up, but we saw the GOAT, we saw Nero, we saw Moodang, and even Bonk, Pepe, Sheeb, SHIB usually follows Doge when Doge is soaring, and we saw that as well. So 2024 continues to be the year of the meme coin, as there have been much better returns on the memes than most other cryptocurrencies, and we have saw that. And Forbes, this is Forbes article this morning, $100,000 Bitcoin by 2025. Donald Trump and Elon Musk fuel huge Bitcoin price predictions as Dogecoin soars as well. So Dogecoin is in Forbes in this latest article, with Bitcoin rocketing higher as Donald Trump clinched victory in the US presidential election, setting up a perfect storm for the Bitcoin price in weeks ahead. That's right, Bitcoin price in weeks ahead. We will be watching. We've got traders turning to the Federal Reserve. Interest rate decision this week. Are they going to cut 25 basis points? On Thursday, we will be watching for that. I may even do a special live on Thursday afternoon during the FOMC meeting. Usually I watch Tom Crown, but Tom is not going to be doing his typical live stream because he's flying to Dubai. So I may go live during that. We may sort of take Tom's place here in live streaming the crypto charts during the FOMC. I'll never be able to do it as good as Tom. Tom's our epic, but we will take a look at that. But this week, 25 basis point rate cut could set up this continuation of this upswing in crypto. Of course, last week we had Elon Musk at rallies yelling Doge. That's right, Doge in the White House. That's what we're talking about. The crypto market has been led higher by the meme-based Dogecoin, a tongue-in-cheek Bitcoin rival that's been embraced by billionaire Elon Musk, accepted as payment across companies like Tesla and SpaceX, and of course, the Department of Government Efficiency, or Doge. So Doge is going to be in the mainstream. This is what is coming up. So we look at the charts and we're like, look, 52 to 58 days after the US election, Bitcoin will hit $100,000. That's right. We've looked at this before, 2012. Here's 2016. Here's 2020. How many days it took to reach a certain percentage gain over where the price was on election day. 52 days, 2016, 56 days, 2020. In 2024, if we say 58 days, that will be $100,000 Bitcoin. That's, again, based on the 4-year cycles, which we've been talking about on this channel a lot. And here we are looking at it again. So that's the Bitcoin view. What about Doge? Altcoin Sherpa says Doge is one of the best coins to trade right now. That's right. Huge liquidity, great volatility. This is going to be for the traders. Overall, yes. Sometimes it gets shorted. We saw shorters getting wrecked, though. That can easily happen again with Doge. But continue scalping. Basically, any demand zone, low time frames, Doge starts pulling back significantly. Look at the fib levels, 0.382 he's talking about. Should be a great entry. We had a lot of comments in the chat about, where do I buy Doge? At what price point? Waiting for dips. We're going to be seeing that the volatility is going to go up and down. Hoping to see this takes a pause for a few days. That would be a great entry. So, and Altcoin Sherpa says not a fan of shorting unless it's a scalp. There'd be a real small amount because there's not going to be any huge drops in the price. And that's what I've been saying as well. We're not going to see that. So Trader Tardigrade looking again at these sort of breakout symbols. And for Doge just flashed a bullish crossover. We have golden crosses coming up. We're going to talk about that tonight in the live stream. We'll be looking at golden cross for Dogecoin, both on the daily and the weekly. We've got these epic events happening with Doge. So on the bullish crossover, the last time we saw that bullish crossover, Dogecoin rocketed up over 200%. So we just had a bullish crossover again. So that gets us to 45 cents. And that would be in a relatively short period of time, like by the end of the year, we could be seeing 45-cent Dogecoin. And also with that, let's look at Ali. And Ali says, with Elon Musk now influencing the 47th president, Donald Trump, Dogecoin could be primed for a wild ride. In past bull cycles, once Doge broke the 0.5 fib retracement, it often rallied to the 1.6 or even 2.2. If you guys are into fib levels, I personally don't really do these sort of fib levels, but when we're looking at price discovery and we're looking at where trading can go once it goes above a previous all-time high, what could that be? And we could see Doge coming in somewhere around $4 in 2025. And the next fib level way up here at $23. Let's not talk about that. We try and keep things real here on this channel, but $4 Doge, could we see some kind of huge run up coming? Again, 4-year cycles, 2016 into 2017, 2020 into 2021. And here we are in 2024, and we are all set up for this next big epic run for Dogecoin. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think about where Dogecoin is going to go from here now that Donald Trump has won the presidency? Now again, he doesn't actually take office in the United States until January, so Joe Biden is called the lame duck president now because this is the turnover from Democrats to Republicans. So we could see, again, just immediately following the election, we could see a little settling down now after the excitement from last night. But we're going to talk about more of this outfall during our next live stream Wednesday afternoon. So come join that. Again, leave a comment below. Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.